G'day mates! Ever heard of Jurong Bird Park in Singapore? It's a paradise for bird lovers. With over 5,000 birds from 400 species, including penguins and colourful lories, this place is a birdwatcher's dream. Don't miss the Waterfall Aviary with its 30-metre high waterfall, or the interactive Lory Loft where you can feed the friendly lorikeets. And the shows. Spectacular. From macaws to eagles, you'll be amazed by their talents. Plus, the park is all about conservation and education, so you're not just having fun, you're making a difference. Fly on over to Jurong Bird Park for an unforgettable experience.